I'm Sanjit Urupa, and this is Pantry Pal. According to a Harvard University study, every year in the United States, 40% of the food purchased goes uneaten, leading to 160 billion pounds of food waste. We know that people don't want to waste food, but sometimes it just happens. Without keeping track, it's easy for food to get expired before you notice, or for the opposite to happen, for you to buy more before you're even done with what you have. And that is where Pantry Pal comes in. Pantry Pal is a tool to help foster healthier eating habits and curb food waste. Here's how it works. Each user has a pantry that tracks what food they currently have stored in their fridge, cabinets, and more. Items are added to the pantry by scanning them with Pantry Pal's machine learning powered grocery detector, a model that I trained to recognize 41 different types of grocery items. Then, using estimated expiry times based on each type of food, Pantry Pal will determine an expiration date for each item and create near and past expiry notification reminders. Let's do a basic walkthrough of how you could use this app. Let's say I've just come back from a grocery trip and this is what I bought. I can fire up Pantry Pal and you can see I currently have 23 items, but I'm going to add these. I'll press add food and it'll open up the camera. And first I'll scan this apple. You can see it detects it correctly, but sometimes it won't detect correctly. And while it is unlikely, we still have the option for users to override whatever Pantry Pal detects it as. Like for example, this detects correctly as bananas, but let's say it wasn't bananas and it was actually an aubergine. I can override it and allow it to add that to the grocery cart. When I'm done scanning all my items, I can double tap the grocery cart. But oh no, there are two more items. This watermelon and this milk. I forgot to scan those. No worries though, because I can just press this plus and then manually add each of them. So I can press the plus and add the milk. And I can also add the watermelon. And when I'm done, I can press add to pantry. You can see the pantry count increases and all of them are cleanly added to the pantry. In the pantry view, you can see when items are near expiry, like this milk, or when they're already expired, like in the case of this cabbage, which I'm just going to go ahead and delete, which is the equivalent of me throwing it away or using it for something. With a pandemic turning many into amateur home cooks, it's often hard to find what you can make with what you have. Pantry Pal's recipe search solves that problem. This granada smoothie looks pretty good, so I can click on the link and it'll take me directly to it. Finally, Pantry Pal is very customizable. You can change what food items fall under which category, as well as other settings. Thank you for listening, and I hope you're as excited about the future of the kitchen with Pantry Pal as I am.